Hello my dear students, welcome to English class. As you know, we started term 1 syllabus. In term 1 syllabus, this time we have 4, 5, 6 and some one poem. And now we are in chapter 5, and chapter 5 reading, explanation and question answers and grammar, vocabulary. Everything is done in your textbook. Whatever remaining is there, I will complete after this. Okay. Unseen passage. Today we are doing unseen passage of page number 15. Why we are using this unseen passage? It improves your reading habit. When you have a questions here, you must read this passage. Then only you will get a answer of these questions. So these unseen passages are improve your reading habits. So whenever you are having seen passage and unseen passage in your exam, you must read properly first, then only you answer the following questions. Now I am starting reading exercise 2, A unseen passage 1. Kangaroo is found in Australia. It is nearly as tall as a man. Its front legs are very short. It does not use them for walking. It uses them to hold things. It also uses them to carry food to its smart. Kangaroos' behind legs are very long. It uses its behind legs to make long leaps. The kangaroo's tail is long, thick and strong. Its head is like that of a deer. Mother kangaroo has a pocket on its belly. This is where it carries its baby. Kangaroos like to eat grass and leaves. They do not eat meat. Here, behind legs, B-E-H-I-N-D. You have to use here B-E-H-I-N-D. Printing mistake is here. It is a animal. Kangaroo is an animal. It is found in Australia. Okay. Now, while you are completing your reading, then come to the answer this question. First you have to read whole passage, then only you have to read questions. Where did we find kangaroos? Kangaroos is found in Australia. Write 2 special characteristics of kangaroo. What are they? Mother kangaroo has a pocket on its belly. It is a very important character of kangaroo. Kangaroo, this is where it carries its baby. Kangaroos like to eat grass and leaves. They do not eat meat. These two are special characteristics of kangaroo. Who has a pocket in its belly? Kangaroo has a pocket in its belly. Who carry food for its kids' babies? Mother kangaroo carries food for its kids and babies. Write 2 plurals from the passage. Okay. Kangaroo's legs. Okay. 2 plurals. Now write opposites: long, short, back, front, thin, thick. Okay, this is a passage number 1, unseen passage 1. You have to solve yourself. Now page number 16. In page number 16 we have unseen passage exercise B. The Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year. To mark an important day in the History of all India. India made set of rules on January 26, 1950, that is called the Constitution of India. This day reflects all the struggles of people who fought for Indian independence. Republic Day is celebrated with full zeal and enthusiasm all over the country, and this day is declared as a public holiday by the Government of India. It is matter of pride and honor to celebrate this important day. There are cultural programs in schools, speeches and other competitions like essay related to Indian freedom movement are organized all over the nation. People who host flag and sing national anthem. This is about our Republic Day. Everyone knows now we celebrate our Republic Day on January 26th. Now come to the question answers. Answer the following questions. Okay? Answer the following questions. What is the set of rules? What is the set of rules of India called? India made a set of rules on January 26, 1950, that is called the Constitution of India. How is Republic Day celebrated in India? There are cultural programs in schools, speeches and other competitions like essay related to Indian freedom movement are organized all over the nation. People who host flag and sing national anthem on Republic Day. Okay, otherwise you will write as a how is Republic Day celebrated in India? Republic Day is celebrated with a full of zeal and enthusiasm all over the country, and this day is declared as a public holiday by the Government of India. Okay, you will write. And next question is which cultural programs are organized in the schools on Republic Day? Now you will write that first I said you know that answer. There are culture programs in schools, speeches and other competitions like essay related to the Indian freedom movement are organized all over the nation. Okay, this is about cultural program. Write two plurals from the passage. Programs and essays. Okay, search yourself. Schools, these are plurals. Find and write two past tense from the above passage. Made, called, celebrated, declared. Okay, you will get 3 or 4 past tense from the passage. You have to write only 2 past tense from the passage. Now come to the question bank. Why do you think Ali thought that cars were wonderful things? This chapter name is The Camel and the Car. You know na? All of you know that story, and you have to write about Ali thought that cars were wonderful things Now come to the page number 17, question bank. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do you think Ali thought that cars were wonderful things? Ali thought that cars were wonderful things because they had speed and could travel distance faster than a camel. So he thought as a cars are wonderful. Did Ali and Sultan have a pleasant journey to the town of Zella? No, they did not have a pleasant journey to Zella. They set out early and traveled through places of dry rock and sand. It became hotter and hotter when the sun rose higher in the sky. They traveled the whole day. So they were not enjoying. Khushi. Pleasant means khushi. When did the car realize that should not have boasted so much? Okay. The car ran out of petrol, could not move. Ali could only help the man in the car by taking him to Zella on his camel. The car was left behind in the hot desert as Ali and Sultan reached to town. Only by evening the car had to spend the night alone in the desert. It became very cold and lonely. The car then realized that it had boasted too much. This is the answer of third question. Now, this is the answer of third question. Now we will continue with the page number 18.